Nagkakilala kami ni Seth year 2008. Tapos nasakto, magka-opposite side kami ng yung long escalator sa Shangri-La Mall. Turns out, yung best friend ko nung high school na kasama ko, college best friend pala niya. Afterwards, parang a few days or weeks after, napakilala kami sa isa't isa. Naging friends, nag-usap-usap.
Ever since kasi, ang meet cute story talaga namin is nakita kami sa Shangri-La Mall. Isang araw, nung nag-aayos ako ng mga gamit ko sa kwarto, may nakita akong human bingo card. Hindi ko alam, nakasulat din pala yung pangalan niya dito. Nung nakita ko yung pangalan ni Andres, nag-meet na pala kami before, nung August 12, 2006.
So, hindi mo alam na nandun siya sa match?
Oo.
Paano mo nalaman?
Ha? Eto, nakita ko to. Ang alam niya, yung meet cute namin, yung ano pa rin, yung sa Shangri-La.
In 2011, unfortunately, nag-pass away yung common best friend namin, but we remained friends. Tapos, yun. Parang feeling kasi namin, kaya kami pinakilala sa isa't isa kasi nga, he was there to take care of me and my other best friend. Tapos eventually, parang na-develop na lang yung friendship and then do something more. And then, yan, nandito na. Like, we're here now.
So it's finally our wedding day. Finally! Super dami natin pinagdaanan, but here we are. Here's something for you to wear for your wedding. I told you, I'll always make you happy because I love you.
Flying birds, scraping heaven.
Love deepens and grows. This is just the beginning of the long journey of your love relationship.
Papa, here's a little token to say thank you for all your sacrifices for us.
We love you, Andres and Seth.
Today, I take you as my husband, my best friend, my true love, my God's best, my always and forever. Your love has taught me what true and unconditional love means. It has transformed my life in the most beautiful ways. You accepted and loved me for who I am, and you inspire me to be the best version of myself. Follow the instructions to enjoy the gift. Scan mo lang yung Spotify code para may background music habang binabasa mo itong letter. Remove item from box 2 and check the back portion, label A. First location is Shangri-La, kung saan tayo unang nagkita.
Oh my God!
Sa Elevate Escalator with Grant, it was April 3, 2008, Thursday.
Ako rin naiyak siya. Nandun lang siya.
Second location is Faura Hall sa Ateneo. Sa Shangri-La tayo unang nagkita pero 2 years ago pa pala tayo pinagtagpo ng tadhana. Remember? August 12, 2006 sa Ateneo Camp Math 13. And yes, yun din ang exact date.
Sa hirap at lungkot na dinanas ko, walang pa subaling tinanggap mo. Hindi na ako bibitaw, uuwi pa rin sa'yo. Ginhawa.
Nandito tayo ngayon. Pinili ang isa't isa kahit maraming beses na tayong sinubok ng panahon. Pero sa huli, sa tamang oras na tinakda ng Panginoon, tayo ay pinagkaisang dibdib.
Sa pag-uwi ko,
the item from box 1 and check the back portion. Ito yung resibo ng pagtatagpo natin. Ito yung first activity natin. Human bingo at pinasulat kita sa papel ko. At nagsulat din ako sa papel mo, hindi man ako nanalo sa activity na yun noon, panalong-panalo naman ako sa araw na ito. Hindi ko man nasabi yan dati, pero ngayon masasabi ko ng malakas at buong kumpiyansa. Bingo! Bumingo ako sa iyo and I will claim my prize later sa church. See you, I love you. Oh my God, nag-meet kami doon!
Andres, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father. I promise to always be by your side through all the joys and trials life may give us. I promise to put your happiness first. And I promise to prioritize you and our future little Garzas first.
Minsan talaga hinahanap natin yung the one, pero hindi natin alam, nandyan lang pala siya. Dumating na pala siya. Nagkabalikan kami after 3 years, nung nag-break kami, and the rest is history.
I almost thought we wouldn't end up together. But God always makes sure we get what we deserve. And He gave me you.
Sabi ko kay God, ang napalanunan ko sa activity game noong August 12, 2006, i-claim ko na ngayong araw, October 6, 2024. At syempre, sa larong ito, bago mo makuha ang iyong premyo, kailangan mong isigaw ang salitang Bingo! Bingo! Bingo!
Bingo!
Bingo!
Bingo! Bingo!
Gas station out in nowhere, or driving down the highway one coast. We can find ourselves in silent moments, or lose our voices singing.
You may now kiss your bride.
Like heaven could be somewhere close. I'll meet you at the highs and see you at the lows. Wherever I'm with you is where I wanna go.
Huwag kang mag-alala. Handa ako sumugal ng paulit-ulit sa laro ng bingo para mapalanunan ka ulit. At ipapaalala ko sa'yo na sa huli, ikaw at ako pa rin.